Hello everyone and welcome to the second episodes of Tech and Government, brought to you by IT Voice, featuring government policies impacting all things tech. I am Rini Gupta and I'm here to bring you the latest updates how technology and government policies are shaping our digital world. First big news is about the Global India AI Summit 2024 held on July 3 to 4. This two-day event organized by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology gathered AI experts, industry leaders and government officials from around the world. Key speakers included Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw and Minister State Jitin Prasada. The summit focused on the responsible development and adoption of AI, aiming to make AI benefits accessible to everyone and drive a socio-economic growth. India's role as the chair of the Global Partnership of Artificial Intelligence was also highlighted, emphasizing our commitment to safe and trustworthy AI. Next, let's talk about India's innovative approach to AI. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw announced that India will adopt a public platform for AI, similar to our Digital Public Infrastructure (DPI). This platform will provide resources like compute power, high-quality data sets, and a common framework to accelerate AI development across various sectors, from agriculture to healthcare. This initiative is a part of a broader India AI mission, with a significant investment to support startups, entrepreneurs, and researchers. Moving on to the state-level initiatives, the Gujarat government recently signed MOUs with IBM and Microsoft to boost AI capability. IBM will establish an AI cluster at GIFT City, focusing on financial innovations, while Microsoft will create an AI Center of Excellence. Additionally, AI partnership with NASSCOM aims to enhance AI skills and training in Gujarat. The state plans to train 25,000 students in a deep technology over 3 years, aligned with Prime Minister Modi's vision of leveraging futuristic technology for economic growth. On the legislative front, the new Telecommunication Act 2023 came into the effect of June 26. This act addresses modern telecommunication challenges, including the extraterritorial reach of offense, streamlined right-of-way permission, and enhanced user protection measure. It also introduces strict penalties for violation and support innovation through the Demand Digital Bharat Nidhi Fund. This act marks a significant step towards securing and expanding India's telecommunication infrastructure. Lastly, we have the National Deep Tech Startup Policy, now open for a public consultation until September 15, 2023. This policy aims to bolster the deep tech startup ecosystem in India, developed by a consortium of major stakeholders including Niti Aayog, ISRO, and DRDO. The NDTSP seeks to address the unique needs of deep tech startups, fostering innovation and growth in sectors like biotechnology, space, and defense. And that's wrap up on today's video. We hope you found these updates exciting as we did. And we are thrilled to see you how these initiatives will shape our future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on tech and innovation. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We love to hear you what you think about these developments. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.